Because we're from Sweden, nature holds a special place in our hearts. It's part of who we are and how we live. It's where we go to re-energize and reconnect. Nature inspires us to create the beauty products we love. But nature is precious, so we need to protect it. We want future generations to enjoy it as much as we do, before it's too late. That's why we're doing everything we can to rethink and redo how we make our products. We use 100% green, renewable electricity and have protected and planted millions of trees. We aim to have 100% of our paper and cardboard packaging sustainably sourced. And we're creating more water-friendly, biodegradable beauty products. We've come a long way. Our own manufacturing is already climate neutral, and we're not done yet. We're determined to make an even greater difference and become fully sustainable. For a better, more beautiful tomorrow.